Okay, I am live streaming on Manicam, but I can't see your comments. Oh no. Welcome. Happy Friday, everyone. Excuse me, it's not Friday, it's Wednesday. It's Card Challenge Wednesday. Oh, I do wish I could find the comments. I apologize, you guys. I really have got to figure this out. Okay. Well, I am hoping this is working. If it's not working, then I will go back and redo it. But I'm just going to go on like it really is happening. Even though I can't see comments, I will figure this out. Each time I do this, it's a little different, isn't it? Okay. So we are Card Challenge Wednesday, and I am going to be using a card sketch this week. So our card challenge is card number 9 from my 30 card sketches with examples ebook that I have here, and you can get it if you don't have it. I'll post a link either on my, well, there'll be a link on my YouTube description, and also this Facebook Live. I'll put it in the description also, or I mean on the post. So how Creative Challenge Wednesday works is you go to, if you're watching this on the replay, if you're watching this live, hello, after we're finished with the live, at the facebook.com/creating with Kristina, you will see pinned to the top of the page a post for you to post a picture of your card in the comments. And how it works is next week I will use my comment picker app, and it will randomly pick one of the comments, which will be a picture of your card, as the winner. So, and I will share with you the winner for last week's challenge in just a minute. Excuse me, but before we do that, I want to let you know that tomorrow is the last day for my card kit. Oh no, I forgot the cards. Oh shoot. Okay, well, when you're on my blog right here, creatingwithkristina.com, you'll see in the corner the card kit for February little image, and you just click on that and it gives you all the information. Or if you have signed up for my newsletter, you should have been getting newsletters explaining the card kit for February. Well, it ends tomorrow, okay? All right, so I want to make sure you remembered that. And then also, celebration. We only have a couple weeks left. So you spend $50 and you get to choose either a free stamp set or a free paper pack out of the celebration brochure. So that is so excited, except it ends pretty quick here. So if you've had your eye on some stuff you wanted, be sure to get in there and get yours. And all of that is on my shop, and the link to my shop is in the description on YouTube, or on my blog there's a link to my shop there also, and it explains everything there. Okay, let's get on with today's card. We're going to cut over here to the overhead camera, and here is card sketch number 9. Now, when I originally created this ebook a few years ago, we had this really cute cat with a hat, and I did a moon back here with blender. Actually, I think I did it with sponge daubers. We didn't have blending brushes back then. And I stamped some of the wispy, Halloween stuff, Happy Halloween. Well, the image, so you have a circle here, and then you have like an image here. It can be done in so many different ways, and I'm going to show you how I'm making it this week with the new Heart and Home. This is out of our new catalog, and if you don't have a copy of the catalog, let me know. I can get one to you. Heart and Home. This is the designer paper. There are 2 stamp sets that go in this suite, and you can buy them separately or together. They come with coordinating dies also. But we're going to be using Honeybee Home along with the Honeybee paper right here. And I'm going to bring this up so you can see it better. Yep, that's really nice. I love those cute little bees. I love this paper because the back side of each of the designer papers is whitewashed wood. Isn't that fun? I love that. So we're going to use some wood. Also a part of this suite are these really cute doilies. They come in 3 colors: Misty Moonlight, Cinnamon Cider, and Basic Gray. So there's the Basic Gray, and there's the misty moonlight. And so we're going to use one of these doilies, and that will be, the doily is going to be the circle here. The bouquet of flowers that we create using the flowers from the stamp set go on the circle, but then we're also going to take a sentiment and punch it out with a punch, and that will be the little heart right here, okay? So I'm going to create this card from this sketch. All right, are we ready to do that? No, we're not, because we need to find out who won last week. I forgot. Don't forget. All right, you ready? Drum roll, please. Dun, 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 dun. Yay for Debbie Bauer, and this is a picture of her card she submitted. Last week's challenge was the theme hexagons, and I just love how she used our fortunes. Oh goodness, I forgot the name of that paper. Something fortunes, but anyways, it's really beautiful oriental art with the butterflies and the flowers and stuff. It's really pretty. Okay. So congratulations, Debbie. I do have your mailing address, but if you want to go ahead and send it in a private email, I'll get that. And also, those of you who have won in the past few weeks, I want to apologize. I have not sent your prize to you yet. I got to go all the way back to, who was the last? So, Bonnie. I still have not sent your gift. Sylvia, I have not. And Debbie Accord last week, I have not. So the three of you, plus today, Debbie, I will be getting those out in the mail today. So I apologize for being so late, but you know, that's how life is. It's crazy. All right, back to our card making. So the first thing we're going to need is a card base, and I decided on the basic gray. I have not used basic gray in a long time. Basic gray, and then I have the back side of this part of the paper, this wood grain, and we're just going to put that on there. Okay. Now, once I have that on there, I'm going to build up my bouquet and my circle. So, and here is my sentiment. Now, notice I have my sentiment a little to the left. I'm going to put some bling here, okay, like it's a brad holding it on. I punched and cut out, I stamped, colored, and cut out 2 of the bouquets from the stamp set, or 2 of the flower things. Then in the dies, there was this piece, and I did this with our fresh freesia, and I did some grass blades, or flower blades, or whatever that is, and I did that in the green, what green is that? Garden green. Now, see here, I cut out a circle of the bumblebee paper, and I am going to match that on the doily, okay? So I have my doily and my bouquet, and I've got to put all this together, all right? Now, how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to move this over to the side, and I'm going to be building on this circle right here, all right? So, let's take some glue. Oh, wait a minute. Let's start with the background. We want our blades in the back. This probably would have been easier if I had done adhesive sheeting on the back, but I didn't think about it. I tend to forget about that adhesive sheeting until I've already cut it out and realize how little it is to be trying to put glue on there. Isn't that the way it always goes? But anyways, here we go. We'll just put that on there. Just a little glue. And I'm going to have this one come out pretty far over here so that it peeks out from behind these 2 bouquets here, because these are going to take up a lot of room. All right, and then, oh, wait a minute. I need this, and this definitely would have been better on adhesive sheeting. Like I said, I cannot see any of your comments, you all. I'm going to have to Google and figure out how to do that with Manicam. I'm going to go ahead and make this come way out here to the side. There we go. All right, and I may pop these up. Yeah, I think I will. Let's get out the tiny dimensionals, the mini dimensionals, and my tweezers here. Okay. And we're just going to put a couple on there. Don't really need much to hold this on. They're good and strong, but also I don't want my dimensionals to go up here because it's going up to that going off the page there. All right, so there we go. We have those dimensionals. Now this one, I think I'll just lay on top. Oh yeah, that's going to be so pretty. I love it. All right, so just a little glue there. You know, it's funny, I see this in my head. I actually have not made this card yet. I just saw it in my head, and I thought, oh, I could put that together live without trying to do it first. Sometimes that's kind of dangerous, but I'm getting pretty confident here. Okay, so now I have my doily, and I have my bouquet I built. I'm going to just put that on there. And now I have to decide, do I want this doily to pop up, or do I want this bouquet to pop up? Oh, I'm thinking I want the doily to pop up. All right, so I'm going to just put some glue back there then. And that's going to secure really well. Isn't that amazing how a doily can just change a circle into something so fancy? But it's not fancy at all. I mean, it's so simple just to stick a doily back there. All right, now I need my bigger dimensionals. And when I have circles, I usually just do 3 in a triangle. There we go. I'm kind of getting off camera here. There we go. And let's go back to the sketch. So here we are. And it doesn't have to be exact. All right, it does not have to be exact, but it needs to, you need to be able to know that that's what you're doing, that you have something here and you have something off to the side. So you do have to kind of put it to the side. And I'm wondering, because I kind of put the bouquet to the side, if I shouldn't, no. Let's stay with the way I originally had it. All right. And be sure, if you go off the edge of your card, you'll have to trim it, because remember, you've got to get it in an envelope. All right. So far, so good. Where is my sentiment? Here's my sentiment. And I decided to do this in gray granite instead of basic gray. Look, my fingers even match. Okay, and so we're going to put that there. But even with a brad there, that's going to be kind of boring. So let's get some ribbon out. Okay, and I've already put all that down, and I didn't really want to have ribbon going all the way across, but I could put some ribbon behind it, kind of like this. Oh, definitely. Oh, yeah, I love that. Okay. All right, so let me get my snips out. Okay, I'm going to trim that up a bit. Whoops. All right, and when ribbon really does stick to the tape runner really well, so we're just going to put some adhesive back here so the ribbon will stick, and just cross it over again. All right, let's see if that's what I want. Oh, isn't that pretty? That just added so much to it. Okay, so we have that on there, but we still need to attach it to the card. Now, we don't want to pop it up again, because we've already got quite a bit of dimension here, and we want to be able to mail it. So I am looking here, and we're right there. So if I put glue right there, that is going to stay. Okay, so, whoops, I put the lid back on the glue. I sure hope you all are being able to see this. If not, well, like I said, I'll post it. Okay, there we go. And make sure Stay Wonderful is parallel to the bottom and the top. It doesn't have to be, but I feel like it looks a little more uniform that way. All right, it definitely needs bling. Now, the bling that goes with this suite, I could not find this morning. They are kind of black and gray and off-white or white dots. I could not find mine anywhere, so I pulled out these thinking that this color would kind of pull into here, and I couldn't decide if I wanted a real shiny one or more of a polished one. Then we have the green we could use, which that's not bad. Or the clear, definitely not clear. All right, so let's go with the green. And I'm just going to pull that. Oops. Oh, shoot. Okay, be more careful. Come on. There we go. All right, actually, I'm going to put 2. I'm going to put a big one and a little one. There we go. Oh, I love that. Okay, whoops. What do you guys think? That turned out pretty cool, huh? All right, so your challenge is to create a card with this sketch here, and I will put a picture of this sketch along with this card on the post, okay? It will be the image that I use for the post, so you can still see it. And there will be a link to get this ebook. A lot of you already own this ebook, so you'll just turn to number 9. Today's the 9th of February. That's why I chose number 9. And remember, the card kit tomorrow is the last day to order the card kit. I'm looking to see if I can see it over there on my dresser, and I did get it out. Oh, thank goodness, thank goodness. Okay, so here's the cards for the card kit. I'm using the Flowering Rain Boots stamp bundle, all right, in these colors. And so when you order the card kit, you get everything, all of the cardstock, all of these shapes cut out. You will stamp and cut out your own images with the stamp bundle, and I'll give you the instructions and the video. Okay? All right, you guys, y'all have a great day. Can't wait to see your creations, and I will be back here on Friday for Fun Fold Friday. Awesome.